What's up guys, making a new video today. I'm gonna go over my new car that I got. As of right now I still have the white JKU over there that I made a video on a while ago. It's a little different from that last video. I got fenders and did a little bit of other stuff to it, but I might make a video before that goes away. But I'm making this video for the sole purpose to show you my new Jeep Willys. So this is my 2015 Jeep JK Willys edition. It has 48K miles on it. This package pretty much just has the decals on the side of the hood, which just say Willys. BF Goodrich all-terrains KO2s. Very similar to the Rubicon rims, just painted black. They're either 17 or 18-inch rims. And with Willys, it comes with the 373 gear ratio in the rear and a limited slip diff. The cool thing about this Jeep is that it was spec'd out with no power options, so no power locks and roll-up windows. So that makes the doors actually a little bit lighter than a normal JK door because there's not much internals in here. And also you get this little cubby here. It comes with no power mirrors either, so you adjust them just like a TJ, YJ, CJ, which I like a lot because I like more basic. The only option that I would want in a JK is the upgraded sound system, so I don't have to mess with the speakers because I hate dealing with audio and wiring. So this comes with the bigger radio touchscreen. I forget the exact length of it or what you would call it. It also came with the Alpine speaker 9-speaker system, which I had in my JKU, which I always recommend to everyone that's looking for a JK because it comes with the upgraded tweeters, speakers, and then the sub in the rear, so I don't have to worry about trying to get a sub inside a two-door, which is almost impossible because I want a tiny bit of trunk room. I just got the Jeep today. I didn't even own it for like 8 hours yet, but this is how it came. Hardtop only. They drilled some like surfboard racks into it. I don't think it looks that ugly, so I don't really care. But I'll do a quick walk around. Sorry for the wind. Not sure if these are factory steps or not, but I wish it came with the sliders like they usually do, but I'll take these off anyway. Those are the surfboard racks, kind of cool in my opinion. Alright, here's the trunk. Previous owner didn't do anything really, pretty basic, which is good because I don't want someone else's project. There's the Oval 8 all-weather sub, which I love. Love it in the JKU and still love it in this little two-door. It pretty much rattles the whole thing, which is awesome. Forgot that you have to slam it when you have a tire on the tailgate. Not used to that. Came with the Jeep weather mats, which is a Willys option. I plan on taking the back seat out so I have a lot more room. And yeah, that's just a quick overview. I just wanted to make a video because I plan on doing stuff with this. Nothing big for a while because I just got it. But I just wanted to make like a base video so I have a video to show people what it looked like when I first got it. And that is my 2015 Jeep JK Willys edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know I haven't made some in a while, but now with this project, I plan on making a few videos on it. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.